Hello student, today we are going to discuss another point of group theory. So point is order of an element. Order of an element. Okay, what is meant by order of an element? Order of an element is any group G, if any element of any group G, there exists a smallest positive integer such that smallest positive integer n, any integer n such that a raised to n equal to identity. Okay, in previous lecture we also seen the definition of order of group. Order of group means number of element in that group is called order of a group. But here point is order of an element in given group. Okay. So definition of order of an group. Definition. This is the last point of this chapter. Order of an element. Definition: if G is a group, if G is a group, if G is a group, then for A belongs to G, then for A belongs to G, the order of A is the smallest positive integer. This is very important word, smallest positive integer n, smallest positive integer n, such that smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n equal to identity. Okay, this is very important definition for order of an element. Means here given that any element of group G, there exists a smallest positive integer such that a raised to n equal to identity. If given group is binary operation, here suppose any group with binary operation multiplication, then a raised to n equal to identity. But group is with respect to addition, then a raised to n equal to n into a. Okay, here this is definition of order of an element. If G is a group, then if there exists smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n equal to identity, then n is the order of an given element A. Okay, if no such integer exists, if no such integer exists, then we say that order of an element is, order of A is infinite order. Order of A is of infinite order. And we denote it as order of A. This is symbol of order of element A. Okay. Here if given integer n is not exist such that a raised to n equal to e, then we say that order of A is infinity. If a integer exists n such that we satisfy this condition, a raised to n equal to identity, then order of A is n, but integer not exist. Suppose set of real number. This is group with respect to multiplication and addition. If any element of set of real number, here zero has order. Here condition is 0 belongs to set of real number, but here smallest positive integer 1 into 0 equal to 0. With respect to addition, 0 is identity of set of real number. Okay, means 1 into a raised to, if given group is positive, then a raised to n equal to n into a. Okay, but if given group is with respect to multiplication, then a raised to n equal to a raised to n, means multiplication of up to n times. Okay, here suppose that for addition 0 is identity of given set of real number. 0 has order of 0 is 1 into 0 equal to 0, means this is identity, means order of 0 is 1, but any non-zero element of given set of real number, any non-zero element of set of real number, there does not exist positive integer, n, such that n into a equal to identity, because identity here 0, but n, suppose that 1 into 1 value must be 1 is not identity of given set of real number. Okay, similarly 2 into 1 value is 2, not equal to identity in this set of real number. There does not exist, so for non-zero real number there does not exist positive integer, smallest positive integer n, such that n a raised to n equal to identity. Therefore all order of non-zero real number is infinity. Order of all non-zero real number is infinity, and only order of 0 is 1. Okay, and for multiplication order of 0 is for multiplication r star. Okay, r set of real number for with respect to multiplication is not group but set of non-zero real number. Set of non-zero real number means r star. Okay, this is with respect to multiplication, and only one has order 1. Only order of 1 is 1, because 1 raised to 1 equal to 1. Okay, a raised to n equal to identity here for order of element, but 1 has order 1. Similarly order of minus 1 is minus 1 raised to, because here identity is 1, a raised to n equal to identity. Here minus 1 has order 2, because value of there minus 1 square means 1, and this is identity of your group. But any choosing other element, suppose that 2 is choosing 2 raised to order of 2 is, what is order of 2? Here does not exist integer n, such that 2 raised to n equal to identity, because 2 raised to 1 is value must be 2, and 2 is not equal to, not identity of r. Identity of set of non-zero real number is 1. Okay, therefore this is an definition of order of an element, means here order of here does not exist n integer, smallest positive integer n, such that 2 raised to n is equal to identity. Therefore order of 2 is infinity. Okay, because n smallest positive integer here does not exist, we satisfy this condition. Okay, therefore order of an element is infinity. If no such integer exists in given group, such that then we say that order of an given element is infinity. But if n is integer exists, then order of an element is n. Okay, this is a definition of order of an element. Okay, then next note that or remark remark. For addition, for if for addition, order of order order of a order of a is is n, order of is n. Suppose that order of a is n if there exists smallest positive integer, if there exists smallest positive integer, if there exists smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n equal to n into a n into a equal to identity. For addition, identity element is 0, therefore n into a equal to 0. This is an for this is the first remark of binary operation with respect to addition. For multiplication, identity element sometimes is 1, but for addition identity element is sometimes means always 0 or so many times is 0. But for multiplication, if group is if any set is a group with respect to multiplication, then order of element is order of element is not then identity of given group is 1. Okay. So then second remark is if binary operation star, if this is first remark, this is second remark. If binary operation if binary operation star is multiplication, if binary operation star is multiplication, then a raised to n equal to multiplication of a up to n times, a up to a, this is n times multiplication. Okay, and this is addition of n times, means for addition here a plus up to so on plus, this is n times. Okay, for multiplication this is a raised to n. If given group is group with respect to addition, then how to finding order of any element? We n into a equal to identity, then order of any element, if there exists n such that n into a equal to identity, then we said order of a is n. And for multiplication, a raised to n equal to identity, then group with respect to multiplication, order of any a is n. Okay, if this is no such integer exists, then we say that in both places or both cases, for addition and for multiplication, if no integer exists, then order of any element is infinitive. Okay. Some for examples, some examples of this. First example, let g equal to this is Gaussian integer 1 minus 1 I minus y. This is group, this is set of Gaussian integer, this is Gaussian integer set. Let g be a group. Find order of each element, find order of each element of g with respect to multiplication. How to find this? Here Gaussian integer set, Here Gaussian integer set is group with respect to multiplication. Therefore here identity element is in given group, identity element is 1. Okay, this is group also proving in previous lectures. This is a group with respect to multiplication, identity element is 1, and we have to find there in this group order of this group is 4 because which contain 4 element, therefore order of this group is 4. But we have to finding order of an element, means this element to find order of this element. How to finding this is group of with respect to multiplication. First let g equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I is a group with respect to multiplication, is a group with respect to multiplication, and identity e equal to 1 is identity of g with respect to multiplication. Okay, to finding order of an element for 1, suppose for 1 belongs to g. How to find the order of an element? What is definition of order of an element? There exists smallest positive integer. This is very important word of this definition, smallest positive integer. If suppose that smallest positive integer, we have to finding a raised to n equal to identity. Here identity element is 1. For 1 raised to 1 is 1 and 1 is identity. Okay, therefore order of 1 is 1. For minus 1 belongs to g, or to finding order of minus 1 is minus 1 raised to 1, value must be 1, which is not equal to identity. Minus 1 raised to 2 equal to 1, and their value must be, this is identity, and therefore order of minus 1, because this is smallest positive integer. In this case order of minus 1 raised to 4. In this case order of minus 1 raised to 4. Suppose here minus 1 square is 1 is identity, and also minus 1 raised to 4 equal to 1. This is also identity. Okay, minus 1 raised to 4, minus 1 raised to square, minus 1 square also identity. But in given definition says that smallest positive integers means which integer exists, smallest positive integer exists in given set. Here 2 is smallest positive integer, 4 is not. Here minus 1 raised to 6 also 1, but here smallest positive integer is, but here smallest positive integer is 2. Therefore order of minus 1 is 2. Okay, if any element here minus 1 square equal to 1 and minus 1 raised to 4 also equal to 1, means order of order of minus 1 equal to 2 or 4. But definition says that if there exists smallest positive integers, here smallest positive integer exists 2, not 4. Okay, here smallest positive integer is 2, not 4. Therefore order of minus 1 is 2. Okay, therefore order of minus 1 equal to 2. Then next for I, what is or how to finding order of I raised to 1 equal to I, which is not equal to identity. I square equal to minus 1, because value of I square is minus 1, which is also not equal to identity. Similarly I cube is value of I square is minus 1 into I equal to minus I, which is also not equal to identity. But I raised to 4 I raised to 4 equal to minus 1 into minus 1. This is written as I square equal to minus 1 into minus 1 and equal to 1, and this is identity. 1 is identity. Therefore here integer exists, for smallest positive integer 4 exists, such that I raised to 4 equal to identity, and therefore order of I is 4. Also similarly here, I raised to 8 or 6. Suppose I raised to 6 choosing, then I square and I square. Okay, their value must be minus 1. But I raised to 8 is value must. This is identity, means I raised to 8 equal to identity. Therefore order of I is 8. This is wrong, because 8 is not smallest, 4 is smallest positive integer. Okay, therefore here I raised to 4 equal to identity, and I raised to 8 equal to also identity, but smallest positive integer is 4. Therefore order of I is 4. Okay, then next element minus I. Then for minus I belongs to G. Then for minus I belongs to G, minus I raised to 1 equal to minus I, which is not equal to identity. Minus I square equal to minus I square value must be I square value minus 1, and there minus 1 into value of I square is minus 1. I square means minus I into minus I, means minus I get positive, and I square is here value must be 1. Minus I square equal to 1. Their value is minus 1, because minus plus, and I square value minus 1. Similarly minus I cube means minus 1 into minus I equal to I, and minus I raised to 4 equal to minus I square into minus I square. Their value minus 1, and their value also minus 1 equal to 1, and this is identity. Therefore order of minus I is 4. Okay, this is an order of an element, given group of element with respect to multiplication. That is order of 1 is 1, order of minus 1 is 2, order of I equal to 4, and order of minus I equal to 4. Therefore this is an order of an element. Okay, now next example find order of element in group Z plus and R star with respect to multiplication. For Z plus, Z is a group with respect to addition, and R star is a group with respect to multiplication. In order of Z is infinity, because the given set integer is which contain an infinite number of elements, and similarly both sets have infinite number of elements. Therefore given both sets of order infinity, but there are elements of order to finding here. Clearly order of in Z identity element is 0, because for any A belongs to Z, such that A plus 0 equal to A itself. Okay, or 0 plus A, means means identity is identity of Z. Okay, to finding order of an element of this set, we have for here remark says that first remark says that here if given group is positive integer, then how to finding order? If finding smallest positive integer n such that n into a equal to identity. Okay, here we have a raised to n equal to identity, which implies that n into a equal to identity, because to finding smallest positive integer such that n equal to a equal to identity. Okay, therefore for 0 belongs to set of integer z, for 0 belongs to set of integer z, 1 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, this is identity. Therefore order of 0 equal to 1, but non-zero integer, for non-zero integer, but for each a is for each a, or for non-zero integer a, for non-zero integer a, there does not exist n belongs to z plus, means set of positive integer such that n into a equal to 0. Because here suppose choosing 1 into 1 equal to 1, because this element is, this n element is smallest positive integer. Here 0 into 1 equal to 0 equal to identity, but 0 is not positive integer. Okay, this is therefore here does not exist integer n, smallest positive integer n, such that we satisfy this condition. Therefore for all non-zero integers of given set z, there does not exist a smallest positive integer n such that we satisfy this condition, n into a equal to 0. Therefore order of all non-zero integer a is infinity. Okay, for a is not equal to 0. Okay, in set of integer z. Okay, similarly to finding order of an given set R, R star means set of non-zero real number. Okay, to find order of this set of R, find solve in one more, because this is also in given R star with respect to multiplication. Find order of this element. Find order of element. Okay, how to finding? Here in R star 1 has order 1, because identity is 1 into 1 equal to 1 raised to 1 equal here to choosing element n such that a raised to n, because this group is with respect to multiplication. Therefore to finding smallest positive integer n such that a raised to n equal to identity in given set of real number, in given non-zero real number, set of non-zero real number, identity element is 1. Therefore to finding element of a, suppose 1 belongs to this set, then 1 raised to 1 equal to 1. Therefore order of 1 equal to 1, and also order of minus 1 square equal to 1 equal to identity. Therefore minus 1 order of 1, and 1 has 1, and order of minus 1 is 2. But all other elements means which is not 1 and minus 1, order of is infinity, because there does not exist integer n such that a raised to n equal to identity. Okay, here right here 1 has order 1, order of minus 1 is 2, and other all elements of this element order is infinity. Okay, similarly next example, Next example. If g equal to z5 with respect to addition, this is set of integer modulo 5. Find order of any element. Find order of element of z5. Find order of element of z5. How to finding? What is set of z5? Z5 is a group with respect to addition. Let g equal to z5 is group with respect to addition, and clearly 0 identity element is 0 is identity of z5. Here set of z5 set is 0 1 2 3 and 4. This is set of integer modulo 5. Okay. To finding order of this each element. How to finding order of this each element? Here identity is 0. Therefore for 0, what is order of 0? 1 into 0 equal to 0. Therefore order of 0 is 1. Because this is set of positive integer, means to finding n element such that n into a. Okay, here 0 raised to 1 equal to 1 into 0 equal to 0. Okay, for 1 belongs to z5. For 1 belongs to z5. 1 raised to, for positive, for addition, binary operation, here addition, 1 raised to 1 equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Okay. Similarly, 1 into 1 equal to 1, which is not equal to 0. Similarly, 1 square equal to 2 into 1, because a raised to n equal to n into a for positive. For addition, if binary operation is addition, then choose element n such that n into a equal to identity. Here z5 is group with respect to addition. Therefore choosing smallest positive integer n such that n into a equal to 0. Here 2 into a, their value must be 2. Minus 1 cube, 1 cube equal to 3 into 1 equal to 3. This is not equal to 0, Similarly, or not equal to identity. Okay, 1 raised to 4 equal to 4 into 1 equal to 4. This is not equal to 0. Okay, similarly, 1 raised to 5 equal to 5 into 1 equal to 5, and if 5 is 0 congruent to mod 5, means their value must be 0, and this is identity. Therefore order of 1 is 5. This is definition. Okay, similarly here 1 raised to 10 also value must be 0, because 10 into 1 equal to 10, and 10 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Therefore, but here smallest positive integer n is 5, not 10. Okay, therefore order of 1 is 5. Similarly, order of 2. For 2 belongs to z5. 1 into 2 equal to 2, which is not equal to 0. 2 into 2 equal to 4, which is not equal to 0. 3 into 2 equal to 6. 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 5. Therefore their value is 1, which is not equal to 0. Similarly, 4 into 2 is 8. 8 is congruent to 3 modulo 5. Therefore their value is 3, which is not equal to 0. And 5 into 2 equal to 10, and 10 is congruent to 0 mod 5, which implies that identity. Therefore order of 2 is 5, because 5 is smallest positive integer. Similarly here 10 into 2 is also congruent to modulo 5, because 20 is congruent to 0 modulo 5, but 10 is not smallest positive integer, 5 is smallest positive integer. Therefore order of this 2 is 5. Similarly, for 3 belongs to Z5, for 3 belongs to Z5, 1 into 3 equal to 3, which is not equal to 0. 2 into 3 equal to 6, and 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 5. Their value is 6. 6 is congruent to 1 modulo 5. Therefore under modulo 5 value is 1. Then next 3 into 3 is 9. 9 is congruent to 4 modulo 5. Therefore their value is 4. Again, which is not equal to 0. 4 into 3 is 12, and 12 is congruent to 2 modulo 5. Their value is 2, which is also not equal to identity. But 5 into 3 is 15, and 15 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Therefore their value is 0 equal to identity, and therefore order of 3 is 5. Therefore order of 3 is 5. Similarly 4 belongs to Z5. 1 into 4 equal to 4, which is not equal to 0. 2 into 4 equal to 8. 8 is congruent to 3 modulo 5. Therefore their value is 3. 3 is not equal to 0. This is not identity. 3 into 4 equal to 12. 12 is congruent to 2 modulo 5. Okay, their value is 2, and which is also not equal to identity. But 4 into 4 equal to 16. 16 is what under congruent modulo 5? This is 1 under congruent to modulo. This is 1 modulo 5, and their value is must, which is also not equal to identity. But 5 into 4 equal to 20, and 20 is congruent to 0 modulo 5, and therefore their value is 0, which is equal to identity. And therefore order of 4 is 5. Means only 0 has order 1, and all other elements of have order 5. Okay, 1 has 2 has order 5, 3 has order 5, 4 has order 5, and 0 has order only 0 has order is 1. Okay, therefore order of 0 is 1, and order of 1 equal to order of 2 equal to order of 3 equal to order of 4 equal to 5. Okay, this is an order of n elements of Z5 with respect to addition. Then similarly solve. Find order of elements of Z7 with respect to addition. Similarly also, this is first example, this is second. Find order of element is Z3 with respect to addition. Third is find order of any element of given set 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 under modulo 5 with respect to multiplication. Okay, solve this is 3 examples in home here. But Z5 has identity 0, Z3 has also identity is 0. But here given group is group with respect to multiplication under modulo 5. Sorry, 5 not. This is not element 1 2 3 4. This is a group with respect to multiplication under modulo 5 here, but identity element is 1, and other elements find order. 1 has order 1, 2 has order 3, because 2 cube equal 3 not 3, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8. 8 is congruent to what under model 5? 3. 2 raised to 4 equal to 16. Means order of 2 is 4 because 16 is congruent to 1 modulo 5. Similarly 3 has means 3 has also order 4 because 3 raised to 4 equal to 81 and 81 is congruent to 1 modulo 5 and 4 has order 2 because 4 square equal to 16. 16 is congruent to 1 modulo 5 because 1 is identity. Means only 1 has order 1, 2 has order 4, 3 has order 4 and 4 has order 2. Okay, right here. So let theorem let G be a group, let G be a group and A belongs to G, let G be a group and A belongs to G, then order of A equal to order of A inverse. Means here theorem says that if any element of A, then order of A and A inverse is same. Here theorem says that if any group G, then order of A and order of A inverse is same. How to proving this? This is important theorem of this theorem is also asked in exam. Proof. This is a simple proof. Let A belongs to G, which implies that A belongs to G and A inverse also belongs to G because G is a group. Okay, then suppose that order of A is n, and to prove order of A inverse also is n because to proving order of A and order of A inverse is same. Suppose that order of A equal to n, to prove order of A inverse also is n. Let order of A equal to n, which implies that if order of A is n, which implies that A raised to n equal to identity by definition of order of an element, by definition of order of an element. Okay, we say that equation number 1, since A belongs to G and G is a group, which implies that there exists A inverse belongs to G, which implies that A inverse belongs to G such that A into A inverse or A star A inverse equal to identity. Okay, equal to identity. Therefore A into A inverse equal to identity. Power now A into here A into A inverse equal to identity, which implies that powering n, A into A inverse raised to n equal to E raised to n, but identity raised to n equal to identity also. Here A raised to n into A inverse A into A inverse raised to n. Here splitting here A raised to n into A raised to minus A inverse raised to n, splitting these powers only. Okay, is identity, but A raised to n is identity because order of A. Here supposing that order of A is n. Okay, order of A is n, which implies that A raised to n equal to identity. Here applying A raised to n equal to identity, A inverse raised to n equal to identity, which implies that E into this element equal to this element itself, A inverse raised to n equal to identity by identity property, therefore here A inverse raised to n equal to identity, which implies that what is definition of order of an element? If the here n integer exists such that A inverse raised to n equal to identity, and therefore order of A inverse is n, and that is order of A equal to order of A inverse. This is very simple. Only suppose that, how to prove this? Only suppose that order of A equal to n, and apply by use inverse property. Use inverse property, A into A inverse equal to identity, and powering both sides n, A into A inverse equal to n equal to identity raised to n equal to always n. Okay. Therefore powering separate here, A raised to n into A inverse raised to n equal to identity, but A raised to n equal to identity because order of A is n, therefore A raised to n equal to identity, and we get a order of A inverse equal to n, means A inverse raised to n equal to identity, we get a order of A inverse equal to n, and therefore order of A equal to order of A inverse.